The waiting for activation message on your Straight Talk phone means your device is failing to connect and authenticate with Straight Talk's network. This commonly occurs during SIM card or eSIM provisioning. For physical SIMs, this involves inserting the card and powering on the device. The phone then attempts to verify its IMEI, SIM serial, and account details. For eSIMs, it's a digital process where you download and scan a QR code from Straight Talk, activating wirelessly. Problems arise from incompatible SIMs, network congestion, especially after 5G rollout, software bugs, or issues with the eSIM profile installation. As of mid-September 2025, Straight Talk's app version 5.2.1 incorporates AI diagnostics to help troubleshoot these issues, but manual fixes are still frequently needed. Straight Talk's support forums have seen a rise in activation queries, often requiring customer service intervention. First, restart your device. For physical SIMs, ensure the card is correctly inserted with gold contacts facing up and data roaming is enabled. Use Straight Talk's activation wizard in the app. For eSIMs, double-check the QR code's validity and ensure a strong cellular signal during setup. If these steps fail, try toggling airplane mode on and off. Manually enter APN settings and set to Straight Talk for data. If the problem persists, contact Straight Talk support for manual activation codes. Remember, issues are sometimes user error driven. Scan the QR code again or try restarting multiple times.